Hello everyone, I'm Julie Adams, VP of Product Management here at Sage Intacct. In this video, I will cover 2020 Release 3 highlights. At Sage Intacct, the product investments we make are all about your success. We want to help you transform the way you work by building products that enable you to work smarter and more efficiently than ever. 2020 Release 3 includes enhancements across three major themes. Best-in-class financials highlights include streamlined credit card feeds and reconciliation, support for cross-entity multi-currency dynamic allocations, and enhancements for automating posting to GL. Deep cross-industry functionality highlights include additional flexibility for managing changes to contracts over its lifecycle, advanced bin management for more precise inventory location tracking, and continued enhancements to Salesforce integration for nonprofits, which is available for early adopters. Best-in-class platform highlights include more usability enhancements, increased interactive customer report writer flexibility, and additional improvements for implementers and developers to extend Intacct to meet customer-specific needs. Now let's go into more detail on each of these highlights. 2020 Release 3 includes credit card feeds and enhanced credit card reconciliation capabilities. You can now set up credit card feeds following the same process used to set up bank account feeds. We've also unified the user experience for credit card and bank account reconciliation, so you can now leverage the same capabilities for both. By streamlining the bank and credit card reconciliation process, you can gain daily insight into cash and save time in the close. Dynamic Allocations is an additional add-on module that automates the distribution or allocation of account balances on a periodic basis. With 2020 Release 3, we've enhanced Dynamic Allocations to support allocations across entities, including entities with different base currencies. For example, you can now automate the sharing of common overhead costs or allocate pooled investment growth and earnings across entities on a global scale. And since Dynamic Allocations also includes snapshot trace-through capabilities, for any allocation entry, you can always find out why the amount was allocated. Period-end allocations are often complex and involve time-consuming manual processes. With Dynamic Allocations, you can save time, reduce errors, and increase auditability of period-end allocations on a global scale. 2020 Release 3 includes enhancements to automate and streamline the creation of journal entries. Revaluation automation enables you to automatically generate your unrealized gain and loss journal entry directly from GL, AR, AP revaluation reports. Configure your unrealized gain and loss account and journal in the GL setup page. Run your revaluation reports live or offline with an option to automatically create the appropriate journal entry. The journal entry will be created in draft state so you can review before posting. Revaluation automation saves time and eliminates error-prone manual steps to extract information from reports and enter journal entries. In addition to revaluation automation, 2020 Release 3 streamlines the setup of recurring journal entries. You can now easily use any posted journal entry to set up a recurring journal entry. Simply navigate to the posted journal entry and use the Recur option. This will open up the recurring journal entry screen populated with all the details from the posted journal entry. From there, you can make any tweaks or adjustments and enter recurring schedule information. This enhancement makes it faster and easier to set up recurring journal entries. Inventory Advanced Bin Tracking has been enhanced in 2020 Release 3. You can set up warehouses with unique bin locations. For each bin, you can track which aisle, row, zone, and face that bin is located. We also enable you to customize and rename those bin attributes. For example, perhaps you don't have rows and faces, but instead have shelves and bays. You can easily change Intacct to meet your specific business needs. We've also streamlined and enhanced warehouse transfers to support movement of inventory. The simplified layout makes it easy for you to move inventory between unique bins within the same warehouse or across different warehouses. You can specify the quantity of items being moved, as well as more easily specify specific lot and/or serial numbers being moved. Advanced bin tracking enables precise location tracking and streamlines the movement of inventory. Contracts are dynamic, and modifications often occur over the contract's lifecycle. During these modifications, multi-element arrangement, or MEA allocations, need to be changed to ensure proper accounting treatment is being followed. 2020 Release 3 includes enhanced flexibility to clear just the latest active MEA allocation. This option is available for allocations which include straight-line or daily rate recognition methods. Additional recognition methods will be supported in future releases. Users now have much greater flexibility and control in booking, adjusting, and correcting current period work while ensuring past periods remain intact. This results in a cleaner listing of MEA allocation information on a contract-by-contract basis. With the ability to clear the last active MEA, you can more efficiently manage changes to your MEA allocations and ensure accurate accounting for your ever-changing customer contracts. We've continued to enhance our Salesforce integration for nonprofits, which is available for early adopters. We added even more flexible configuration options to integrate at the order entry detail level or journal entry summary level. These flexible options for different process flows allow nonprofits to keep the front office and back office in sync, improving collaboration, streamlining reconciliation, and providing real-time visibility across systems. We always look for ways to increase usability of Intacct with every release. In 2020 Release 3, we've included enhancements to improve multi-entity navigation. If you inadvertently close your top-level tab, you can now select top-level from the entity picker. 2020 Release 3 includes more improvements to our interactive custom report writer. You can now combine reporting areas on the fly to report across different product area workflows and business processes. You can use union, union all, intersect, or minus on the reporting areas for even greater flexibility to get insights into your business. In addition, Interactive Custom Report Writer now supports account groups. You can now select account groups wherever you can select accounts, making it easier to do roll-ups and tie out different custom and financial reports by ensuring consistent inclusion of accounts or account groups. With these interactive custom report writer enhancements, you get improved visibility start to finish. 2020 Release 3 delivers more platform enhancements to integrate, customize, and extend Intacct. We've added a new lookup API to retrieve information about the fields and relationships of an object. In addition, we will be adding SDK support for the Query API to make it easier for developers to use. We've also streamlined and made it much simpler for developers to create, test, and debug triggers that customize Intacct with customer-specific logic and workflows. In addition, we have enhanced our custom application installer to support inclusion of content security policies and custom on-load page scripts. This makes it easier to install and maintain custom extensions. These enhancements make it easier for implementers and developers to optimize Intacct to meet your specific business needs. We've just covered the highlights of 2020 Release 3, but there are many more enhancements in this release. 2020 Release 3 will be available August 21st. You can learn more about all the features in the release notes. To access release notes and watch more release videos, log into Sage Intacct and go to the product homepage. Thank you for watching.